All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set up browser source alerts and all sorts of other cool stuff using the browser source via OBS. And it's actually really simple. It takes 2 seconds once you get the hang of it. All you have to do is go over to whichever scene that you're dealing with on OBS, and you're going to go as usual and over to this little plus sign. And in here, you will find the browser button. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to click this, and then you'll get this pop-up. And here you can obviously name it whatever you like and then hit OK. Now, once you do that, you will get a prompt and it will ask you to enter the URL of your browser source. And you can also adjust the width and the height of this. So for instance, if you wanted it to cover your whole screen, maybe you're going to have a follower alert or something of that nature, and you want it to have like a high quality thing. So you go ahead and you could set this to, let's say 1920 by 1080. And now you can see that it's covering the entire screen here. But from here, you're going to see that it's looking blue, and it's basically operating as a placeholder for the moment. Now, once you add the browser source URL, this is going to become a see-through overlay on top of your screen. So we'll go ahead and we'll set something up here. So let me just go ahead and make this smaller for a moment. So what we could do is we could come over to, let's say we'll use Twitch for simplicity's sake, and you could create an alert box on Twitch. Again, you could do this on Streamlabs, Stream Elements, anything, and you can do it for a wide variety of things. This is kind of the default way of adding chat boxes, alerts, anything that's coming from a third-party site will usually prompt you to do it this way. Anyway, so you're going to come over to, once you set up your alert or channel point integration or whatever, you're going to find the browser source URL. In this case, it's right on the bottom here. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to copy this. Now, these keys are usually hidden by default, just for security reasons, so that you don't accidentally leak them or share them. And then all you have to do is come over and open your browser source by double clicking it. And you can come in here and you can just paste it in, and you're going to get this crazy long code, and then just hit OK. And then as soon as we do that, you can see that it disappeared, right? So now I'll go ahead and I'll make it bigger again so we can still see what we're doing. And then now, if you were using Twitch, for instance, you could go over to Twitch and we could do send a test alert, and then you'll see that it would appear, and that's how it would look on your stream. So it's a super simple way to add all sorts of cool effects and different overlays to your Twitch stream. If you find this helpful and you're having issues with your mic, check out a video that I posted yesterday that covers all of the best mic filters going for OBS to keep your audio sounding professional, getting rid of the background noise. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.